Good evening, everybody. I'm Wendy Bell.
I'm Andrew Stockey. Our team of reporters, Ari Height and Keith Jones, are at the scene right now. And Keith, let's begin with you on how this all began.
Andrew, this was a tragic sight. The entire horizon here behind me, a burning glow of orange. The fire may be contained now, but 3 men remain in the hospital. Hundreds of firefighters trying to keep up with the flames. Sky 4 flying at a safe distance. Meanwhile, the ground literally shaking the small Avila community.
We heard this big noise. It sounded like a piece of equipment hit our house. It felt like it shook like that.
This Chesapeake Appalachia well site off of Meadowcroft Road is within walking distance from Joel Campbell's house. Her family rushed to help.
He looked out and saw just fire everywhere. Guys walking around that were burned, just walking in shock.
The gas company still doesn't know what sparked what they're calling a flash fire at 3 of their gas wells at this Marcellus Shale site. More than 15 different fire companies rushed to contain the wildfire. About 20 acres of land was cleared.
And they were doing CPR on one man, and he said it just looked terrible. He said everything was on fire.
The gas company says 3 male workers were severely injured in the blast. Witnesses say countless others were burned.
Our prayers are with the families, and we certainly hope that the injured get a speedy recovery and do well.
Are the injuries life-threatening?
I'm sorry, I don't have that information at this point.
Stacey Brodak says that natural gas liquid was released from at least 1 of the 3 wells. Then somehow, she says, the fire started.
I feel so bad for their poor families because they didn't leave this morning thinking they weren't going to make it home. You know, and some guys aren't going to make it home, and it's really sad.
The gas company says there is no imminent danger to the environment or the surrounding communities.